Hello and welcome to the It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up your photo as a wallpaper on your HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. We have a photo on the phone, so we have to go to the gallery. Here we have photo of our SD card and we will set it up as a wallpaper on our phone. To do this, we have to go to more options here and we have set as wallpapers, and it will be our wallpaper from now on. We can choose to lock screen, home screen, or both. We will have both, and we have our SD card as a wallpaper and as a home screen. That's simply it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.